Kasala don burst, so they don't catch kidnapper after I kidnap 2 children from the same parents. Una fit imagine the kind gravity, in fact, the pain and everything. As I dey talk to una now, they don't catch am red-handed. The boy come dey beg. He say me I made they forgive am, I beg. Say no. devil don't carry many people wahala all in the name of the devil's work. Ngwana don't bring a corner side for now we don't know how the thing happen. I don't even know who the kidnapper be. I don't bring a corner side, so I beg join me, make we watch the video.
Now, I beg.
Hey, no.
It's okay, I beg. It's okay.
Kasala don burst.
Hey, now let me drop it. Sit down. You never die. You never die. You never die. Daddy.
Mothers. Okay, make I just say parents, because not be only woman get picky. You understand? Parents, una get serious work to do. Because this one where we they very wicked. Not be only to dey find money to feed your children. What if the children not dey? The money where you dey find, how you want to take use and not take feed these children? 2 children from same parents. Hey, meaning say they won't give this woman a heart attack. No, imagine if now one go now, you dey pain, but at least you get this comfort, you get this hope. Say okay, I still get one pikin. Now one carry the 2 of them. Now one kill the parents with that. Yes, they go start to think of how to born another one again. How to. When I see this video, say the thing even dey pay me, because wetin I see na romance. Una dey romance kidnapper. No, una no see am. Una dey romance serious. They do this one. They beg. Una still dey look am. Una still dey watch am. Person wey una suppose woes. How come I no even see 2 by 2 for that place? Una suppose don't give am better one so that in head go dey reset. Because assuming they catch this guy, my people, those 2 children, they go don't die by now, or they go don't use them for sex trafficking. Now like that, and my question now be say, why be say if they catch you now go they beg? No, now question I ask, why be say if they catch, not be just kidnappers, even thief, even rapists, why be say if they catch una they beg? Like I dey try understand. When una they make up una mind say na wetin una they go do, who beg una? Now they don't catch you, they come outside, they beg. I beg make una stop the romance that boy. Oh, I beg. I not just dey like this guy. Which one be this one? You know wetin be 2 children? Oh, it be like so now no the kind money where this guy was about to make. Una like the thing they sound somehow for una ear. If na person with thief phone, una go burn am with tire. Now kidnapper 2 children, una they carry and go police station. Una still dey pamper am. Una still dey. Nah, never even know what they do now, right? Now, waiting me, I just they see. God even save this guy. If you did some areas, if you try this thing for some kind places, before police call said maybe 9 cops they go come carry, because the anger see what those people go do to them. God save you, my brother. You are in a very good place. Now, why they still they do you anyhow? I beg, may we dey very vigilant. Be very vigilant. Thank God say they catch this one. Thank God say they catch him. I don't even want to imagine the kind, in fact, the torture, the emotional trauma and everything where this parent, especially the mother, where that woman they go through after pushing. See as they shake. you they shake, you they fear. So wait oh. You know, say now I even realize say kidnappers, in fact, not just kidnappers, all the people they do evil. You know, say now I realize say they fear to die. Now them they fear death pass, but now them they do evil. Now you they fear to, they never see anything. Yes, my people, so I don't bring the matter as it dey hot. So I want to wait till now they think concerning this matter. Drop out for that comment section. Share this video. Make everybody know so they don't catch kidnapper. And why not click on that notification bell? If not, you go to miss everything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.